welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Hope everybody's been doing great. I know I've been extremely busy. That's why I need to apologize to everybody. We haven't had any, we've been way busy. The wife and I, we've got a lot of stuff going on, so we haven't had videos out. So, weekend before last, we were busy doing stuff, and then this last weekend, I got a message from my buddy that was doing a little house cleaning and needed to make some room for other projects. So, I went over and we made a really good deal on a bike or two and a bunch of cool parts that I definitely could use on stuff. So I got to thank my buddy Garrett. Had a great time visiting with him. So I got to apologize for not getting videos out. Time we got back, got everything unloaded. It was real late. It's dark. So I told the wife, I said, thanks for going with me, being my co-pilot. Gave her the rest of the day off. Told her to go relax. I said, don't even worry about making me a sandwich. Woman, just go watch TV and hold the couch down. So we apologize for not getting videos out. But I want to give you all a quick update. November 11th is the 3rd annual Go Power Sports 180 race. So, gives you time to get your bike ready, give it a good shakedown, go out and get you some practice ride time. That way, if you see something that's going to cause you issues, you can go ahead and get your parts ordered. Call up GoPowersports.com, tell them what you need. You can also register online. I think it is a $20 entry fee per rider, and I do believe you're going to get a snazzy shirt out of that, I do believe, and other giveaways, I think. So, like I said, GPS 180 is going to be at their ranch. If you've never been, go check out, I have some videos up there. Go Power Sports has some videos. Some other YouTubers have some videos out. It's a very, very fun time. Great fellowship to see a bunch of people that come from all over the place to get out, bang bars. It's an awesome time. If you need camping, you're driving a long ways, you want to camp, camping is free. They got tons of place out there where you can pitch a tent. If you got a camper or like I got, you got a trailer and you want to sleep in a trailer, there's room. So, awesome time. So, like I said, go on their website, gopowersports.com, and you'll scroll down there. I'm also going to leave you a link in the bottom of this video, so you can click on it. It'll take you to it as well. That way you can get registered and get your teams there. You can have multiple riders. They're going to have a juniors race as well. So, and that's all going to be on a Saturday. So, make sure y'all make it out. It's an awesome time. GPS puts on a great show, and I always enjoy going because it's I like to race and then get to see everybody and hang out. It's killer time. So, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. That way you can keep up with upcoming videos. Never fails. Turn on the camera. We get a flyover. Sorry about that, folks. Anyway, all right, I'm going to wrap this video up. Make sure y'all go get registered for the next 180. And if not, we don't see you between now and then, we'll definitely see you at the 180. Y'all folks take care. Have a great day.